which you've probably figured out from the title, we are going to be unboxing my new Vitamix, which is the Exploring Series 520 in black. I am super excited to get this bad boy or bad girl out of the box. We are also going to put her or him through its first test run, and we're going to make a really easy dill pickle chip dip. So if that is something that you want to see, which I totally hope that it is, then just keep watching. Hopefully y'all can see. I kind of have you propped up in a weird spot here. So like I said, this is the Exploring Series 5E520. I'll link it down below. We got it at Costco. So I think the Costco version comes with some more doodads than like if you got it at like Target or something. But it says it includes one motor base, a 64 ounce or 2 liter container, one tamper, which I think is a little mixer thing, two 22 ounce tumblers with straws, and a recipe booklet. So let's just see what we got here. So this doodad here, I'm pretty sure is the tamper. Y'all, this is like, I'm not a professional Vitamix person. This is just me sharing this with y'all. So hopefully maybe like, you know, help you. Like if you're looking to get a Vitamix, it's like, what is all included? You know, all of the things. So the tamper thing was just like sitting on the top, you know, like on the top there. And then let's see, we have, so this is like obviously the, everything's falling out. Okay, so this is like the little, you know, container, mixer container doodad. I'm so professional with my names of things. I've got a 20 ounce tumbler, and then another tumbler. Hopefully you guys can see that. Whoops, this is always so weird to do. So, always trying to get you guys the best angles. Okay, and then I'm pretty sure it's just the base. That is a lot of cardboard, a lot of packaging. Okay, so in the little side thing here, let me get my life together, which that'll probably never happen. Okay, so we have a straw, obviously for the tumbler, and then we have, let's see, oh, this is so professional, right? Okay, first blends, a guide to getting started with your new Vitamix machine. Cool. Oh, there's the other straw. And then we have a welcome to the family Vitamix thing. Like just join the rewards deal. And another straw. So these are kind of nice because they have the little like, let's just get it out here. They have the little thingy majiggers. Okay. Thought I would just slide out. But it's definitely not just slide out. Anyways, they have the little like rubber part on the end. So really nice straws. Let me put this tumbler really quick. Oh yeah, that's like way nice. So screw top lid, stainless steel. Spill proof lid. Oh, that's crazy. So like this opens. Hopefully I can zoom in here. This like opens in here when you push the straw through, so it like keeps it from spilling. That's cool. So tumbler straws, first blend. So this I think is the like user manual. Yeah, guide to getting hence a guide to getting started. So put it all together, find a home, wash it, fill the container halfway with warm water, add a drop of dish soap, secure the lid, select your blender's lowest speed, which is variable 1. Start the blender and slowly increase to its highest speed, variable 10. Blend for 1 minute, stop the machine, and rinse the container. And then you can gather your ingredients and get her going. So let's get this all, the rest of this all unpackaged here. Okay, and here's the, oh, she is heavy. So this is my first Vitamix. Like, I haven't ever owned one. My husband got it for me for my birthday a long time ago. We don't even want to talk about it, and I just haven't gotten it out yet. So I just haven't, I don't know why. I just, you know, I don't know why. Anyway, I digress. So we've got the base. We definitely like the black. So the base, and then there's knobs that I'm not quite sure what they do. So I'm gonna figure that out, and I will show you guys a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. But like so then this is like a recipe book, but I'm trying to figure out what the buttons do. Like, where does it explain the buttons? Blades. I guess we could just, oh, one is pulse and the other one, duh. So, this one's to pulse, and this one is the start and stop, and then obviously the, like, variable speeds. But I will get this filled up and get you guys down off the tripod and a little bit closer so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. We'll run it through its initial cycle, and then we'll make a dill pickle dip and, you know, see how she holds up. The one thing that I was gonna say, if y'all don't know this, if you get stuff from Costco, they have like a forever money back guarantee on stuff. So I actually, is how I found that out, is I have some friends that owned Vitamixes, and they're like, yeah, whenever it breaks, we just like take it back, even if it's like 2 years old, and Costco switches it out. So anyways, just a little tidbit for you, but let me get this washed up and then we'll make some dill pickle dip. Now that we have the blender all washed up and through its first rinse and ready for use, I am going to show you guys how I make my higher protein, healthier version of a dill pickle chip dip. It's only 3 ingredients. So you have a block of cream cheese, throw that in. Then you have two of the 16-ounce containers of cottage cheese. Throw that in. I normally just use the Good Culture brand, which is this one because it has better macros, but they only had one, so I had to use a Daisy version. So get all that dumped in there. And then you're gonna put in your dill pickles. I usually do about 1.5 jars, but you can, you know, put however much you want in there. Do not use the juice. I get that question a lot, is if you should use the juice or not, and definitely don't use the juice. So we're gonna throw all of those in there. Once you have all of your pickles in there, you're gonna throw in a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. The pickles have a lot of salt in them anyways, but it doesn't hurt. We're gonna put on our lid, and we're gonna go ahead and blend it up. After you get it all blended up, I highly suggest a chip test. I really like these Miss Vicky's chips, and I also like the Boulder Canyon ones, but Kroger didn't have any of those. They were out of so much stuff. So let's do a chip test. So good. Let me know in the comments down below if you go ahead and make it or if you have a different version of dill pickle dip, because I love me some dill pickles. If you guys have been around for a while, you know I love me some dill pickle anything. And that is gonna wrap up today's unboxing of my new Vitamix. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if you have a Vitamix and what your favorite things are to make in it, because I need to know all the things. Like, I feel like a whole new world has been opened up with my new Vitamix. And also let me know in the comments down below if you make the chip dip or if you have a dill pickle chip dip or dip in general version that you like to make. Let me know down below, because as I said, I am all things a dill pickle. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.